Hello learners, let's discuss crop and seed production. Topic 2, Lecture 1. Contents: Kharif crops including vegetables and fruits, agronomic practices with emphasis on weeds, and identification and management of weeds. Kharif vegetables and fruits. Kharif vegetables and fruits that are sown in the rainy season from June to September are characterized as Kharif. According to the Indian farming and as per season of Kharif crops, in this crop category we can include rice, maize, sorghum, pearl, millet slash bajra, finger millet and ragi. Soil requirement of Kharif crops: 1500 to 2000 millimeters medium soils Kharif or early spring season, 2000 to 2500 millimeter light soils, long duration varieties during Kharif, medium duration varieties during summer. For lowland rice, the practice of keeping the soil saturated of submergence of about 5 centimeters throughout the growing period is beneficial. Climate requirement of Kharif crops. It is grown in rain-fed areas with hot and humid climates, especially the eastern and southern parts of India. Temperature of 16 to 20 degrees Celsius, that is 61 to 68 degree Fahrenheit during the growing season, and 18 to 32 degrees Celsius, that is 64 to 90 degree Fahrenheit during ripening. What is weeds? A weed is a plant considered undesirable in a particular situation, a plant in the wrong place. Examples commonly are plants unwanted in human controlled settings, such as farm fields, gardens, lawns, and parks. Preventive and cultural methods for weed management. In many agriculture systems around the world, competition from weeds is one of the major factors reducing crop yields and farmers' income. Methods include hand cultivation with hoes, powered cultivation with cultivators, and smothering with mulch. How to implement an effective weed management strategy. Crop rotation. Differentiation of crop grown over time on the same field is a well-known primary means of preventive weed control. Cover crops. Inclusion of cover crops in a rotation in the time frame between two cash crops is another good preventive method to be used in a weed management strategy. How to implement an effective weed management strategy. Tillage system. The effect of primary tillage on weeds is mainly related to the type of implement used and to tillage depth. Soil solarization is a preventive method that exploits solar heating to kill weed seeds and therefore reduce weed emergence. Identifying characteristics of weeds. Leaf shape, leaf margins and venation. Presence or absence of hairs on leaves or other parts of the plant. Plant height and lateral spread. Degree of branching, arrangement of branches on main stem. Identifying weeds at an early age. Presence or absence, number, size and shape of the seed leaves, cotyledons, on the above ground part of the emerged seedling. Shape, arrangement and size of the first true leaves emerging above the cotyledons. Weed management. Use of rotary weeder from 15 DAT to 10 days interval. Cultural practices during cropping of rice azolla and rice green manure. Summer plowing and cultivation of irrigated dry crops during post-rainy periods reduces the weed infestation.